reply to Google My Business review using Anthropic automatically. So Anthropic is an AI safety and research company, and here I'll show you whenever a new review or a rating is received in Google My Business, how you can automatically generate a reply for the very same review using Anthropic, and how a reply can be sent to the very same review on Google My Business once again automatically. Want to learn how you can also automate your replies? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my shop available on Google My Business, and whenever someone will leave a review here, I will show you how to automate the reply of these reviews and rating. And to generate these automatic replies, I will use this Anthropic application, which is an AI safety and research company. And to automate this whole process, firstly I will have to build a connection, build an integration in this Google My Business and in this Anthropic application, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. So I have directly pasted the name as reply to Google My Business review using Anthropic. Okay, now I'll select the folder in which I want to create my automation workflow. So I'm selecting this main workflows folder, now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. Okay, so these boxes are actually called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever a new review or a rating is received on Google My Business, on my shop of Google My Business, then automatically generate a reply for that review using Anthropic application. So that is why I'll be selecting the same here, and further I want that the automated reply should be posted once again on Google My Business. So here I'll click on this plus icon and will add one more action step, and here I will select Google My Business application once again. Okay, so in this way we are going to automate this whole scenario, and in this way you can add as many as action steps as you want and automate your complex business processes. Okay, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect these 3 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first build a connection in Google My Business with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so selecting the trigger event, that is whenever a new review is posted. So yes, I want to perform the same, that whenever a new review is posted, that review should be captured via Pabbly Connect. For that, clicking on connect, clicking on add a new connection, and if you're connecting your Google My Business account with Pabbly Connect for the first time, click on this button directly and provide the access of your account. Okay, but because I have provided this access multiple times, okay, so I will use the existing connection only, clicking on save, and in this way my Google My Business profile will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And you can also go with the existing connection if you have already provided the access in the first time connection. Okay, so here you can notice, because we are connected, whatever the account name is available in my profile have started visible here, and yes, the name of my profile is same, that is Parampara. Okay, coming back, and location name is also detected here automatically. Now as soon as I click on this button, whatever the new review or rating is received on my Google My Business profile, the same review will be received here as a response. Let me even show you the same. So currently I am actually into this Parampara profile only. Okay, so I will firstly switch this profile, and now I am logged in with some different profile. Basically currently I am logged in as Nancy Sharma. Now I am going to leave a review here. Give me a second, writing a review. So this is the review I have prepared. Traditional dresses are really unique and good, but they can also include some Western outfits in their collection. Just a feedback, and here I am giving 4 rating. Now I am going to post this review and rating here, and as soon as it is done, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will see the same review and rating will be received here. So you can notice we also have this timing. We also received this star rating we have the display name as Nancy Sharma, as I have told you, and this is the very same comment, very same review which we have posted as a profile of Nancy Sharma. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Google My Business Review and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards, what will happen? Every time someone will post a new review on my profile, the same review will be received via Pabbly Connect in 8 hours, because this trigger will check for the new data in 8 hours. Basically, the trigger here is the polling base, which is going to capture the review data in 8 hours. Okay, but don't worry about that. Your reply will be surely automated, but not just immediately. It will just take few hours. Okay, so in this way, the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I will show you how we can generate a reply for the same using Anthropic application. So the application is already selected. Now I will select the action event, that is create completion. Okay, clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection you will have to add the API key. Okay, so I'm really expecting that you already have an account in your Anthropic application from where you can actually get the API key, okay, by clicking on this particular link. Okay, but again, I have already built this connection multiple times, so again I will use the existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way my Anthropic account will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. And the very first thing, it is asking to select the model. Okay, so basically with which particular model we are going to generate the replies automatically. So I'll go with this Claude 2 model, and now it is asking for the prompt. Basically, you will have to provide the instruction to this AI software that what should be done. Okay, so in this particular case, I want to generate a reply to my review. Okay, so how about I give the prompt, I give the instruction something like generate a reply to this review. Okay, and here after this review I will add a hyphen, I will add a dash, and will add the very same review which we have got via this Google My Business profile. Okay, Google My Business trigger application. Okay, so this was our comment, and the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy these comments and paste below again and again for every new review. I'm going to map this detail, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me map the very same comment here, and in this way it will be mapped. And you must be thinking, what is this mapping? So whatever the detail I will map here will be changed automatically as soon as this automation will work in real time, but whatever the details I will provide here manually will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the values via manually and via mapping. Okay, and in this way this automation will take place, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation. Now it is asking maximum tokens to sample. So if you will add the digit as 10 here, a 10 words response will be received. If you will add 20 here, you will receive the response of 20. Okay, how about I add it as 5, and you will notice the 5 word response will be received. Now it is asking to provide the temperature, top P, top case, top sequence. Well, I would recommend you to kindly read the instructions and provide the values accordingly. So let's say it is asking for the temperature, which control the amount of randomness in the response. In the same way, it is asking for the top P, which is going to restrict the token option when cumulative probability reaches a specified top P value. So in this way you can read the instructions and provide the ranges, provide the values. If I will leave these fields blank, what will happen? It will automatically take a default value. Okay, so how about I click on this button, save and send test request, and you will see in the response I will receive the reply of the very same review. And here we have the reply, that is here is our suggested response. Well, because we have added 5 as the token, so that is why it is providing me the reply of 5 words only. And now I am going to change it in front of you as 100, let's say, and you will see the magic that we will receive a better response. We will receive the response of almost 100 words. So the response is received once again, and here you can notice a very nice comment has been created here. Thank you for taking the time to provide the feedback on our traditional dress collection. We appreciate you recognizing the uniqueness and quality of our traditional outfits. Your suggestion to also include some western style dresses is appreciated. Okay, so did you notice how a relevant reply has been generated automatically using Anthropic AI application? And now once the reply is generated automatically, we can easily send this data once again to Google My Business. Okay, so in the same way, the second step of our automation is done. Now I will share this reply. So the application is already selected. Now I'll select the action event, that is create a reply, because I want to perform the same. Clicking on connect, then again instead of going with the new connection, I'll go with the existing connection only. Clicking on save, and in this way Google My Business account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And now it is asking that what should be your reply and to which review you want to post this reply. Okay, so instead of selecting any review from this drop down, I am going to map it, because it is going to replace the review automatically as soon as a new review is received. Okay, for that I'll have to enable this mapping button, remove this existing ID, and now I will map the ID of my review which I have got via this trigger step. And here we have the review ID, and again mapping will help replacing this review ID automatically. And now it is asking for the reply, so I am going to map the reply from this Anthropic application response. All right, it is done. Now I will click on this button, and you will see that a response will be generated here automatically. Basically the response will be posted here automatically. Okay, so clicking on this view all reviews option, okay, here I'll select this newest one, and here is the reply of the Nancy Sharma, basically the review of Nancy Sharma. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, clicking on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response to receive. And if that response is positive, that means our automation is working absolutely fine. Let me first refresh it and check for the review once again. Okay, so clicking on this view all Google reviews section, and the newest one, and here let us check the reply. Well, when I'm checking the reply, I'm not able to see the reply. Let me go back to my Pabbly Connect dashboard and check whether I have provided the details correct or not. Okay, so all right, I got it. Here I had to provide the review name, but I have provided this review ID. Okay, so let me first correct it. All right, so here you will find the name of the review. All right, I have added the same. Now I'll click on this button once again, and we'll see whether the replies are getting posted or not. Clicked on that button, waiting for the response. All right, fingers crossed. And here you can notice it has been posted. Going back to my Parampara account, let me first refresh it and check for the reviews once again. So this is my review section. Scrolling down here, and you can notice response from the owner. Here is a draft reply to the review. Okay, thank you for taking the time to provide feedback on our traditional dress collection. We appreciate you recognizing the uniqueness and quality of our traditional outfits. Okay, so did you notice how the reply has been posted here automatically on that review, on that rating? And that is possible only with the help of Pabbly Connect. But the problem here is it is posting this extra line also. You can read it. Here is a draft reply to the review. Okay, so here I would like to suggest to you that you can also trim this extra line. Okay, how it is possible? You will have to add one more action step before your Google My Business action step, that is text formatter. Yes, using this feature of Pabbly Connect, you can actually trim your content. Okay, so let me show you how it will work. Searching for the same, that is text formatter, and here I'll select the action event, that is split text. Okay, here you can notice lot of action event are already provided here, but we will go with this split text only. Clicking on connect, and it will be connected immediately. And now it is asking text to split, so here I will provide the very same auto generated reply via this Anthropic application. All right, so I have provided the same, and here as a separator I will add this particular value. Okay, give me a second, let me correct it once once again, and now it is asking that what segment you want, whether you want the segment first, the second, or all. Okay, so how about I go with the same, clicking on this button save and send test request, and let's check for the response. And here we have the first thing, and here we have the second thing, the second result. And did you notice the same line has been trimmed here automatically? So now we can easily map that new value. Okay, so you just need to replace your reply from your second step, and now you can map this particular response, and in this way you can post such kind of replies without any extra line. Okay, so I'm not clicking on this button, otherwise it will be posted here once again. Okay, so in this way you can automate your whole process, and to automate this you just need to create this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect. Once after that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this 4-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.